World Remit is a cross-border digital payment service that provides international money transfer and remittance services in more than 130 countries and over 70 currencies. Hello everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of logging into your World Remit account. So let's get started and find out how that can be done. First of all, open the app World Remit. After that, tap on login option right here. Now you'll be asked to enter your email address and password. Enter the email associated with your account and then enter the password, and after that tap on login, and that's it. You'll be logged into your World Remit account. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel TechQuest. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye bye.